International medical graduates seeking job opportunities in the research field in the United States have several options. Here are some of the job opportunities available to IMGs interested in research. A research assistant or research associate is an individual who supports the research activities of a principal investigator or a research team. This role involves different types of fields, including science, social science, medicine, and more. They typically differ in terms of experience, responsibility, and more, associated being a more senior role in some contexts. And here are some definitions and general distinction. Like there are different types of research assistant. They are like level 1, level 2, and level 3, and each research type has its own responsibility and function in the research team. Level 1. Research assistants are typically entry-level positions. They help with research tasks, data collection, data entry, literature reviews, and basic experiments. Level 2. Research associates are often considered more experienced than research assistant. This level is more research associated than research assistant. Remember that I said in the beginning of the video, the difference between associated and assistant is associated has more responsibility and experience. So they might hold a master's degree or have several years of relevant work experience. Responsibility, research associated participate in diversity aspect of research, including project design, data analysis, and sometimes writing grants or grants writing. They work more independently and may take on a supervision role with research assistant. Level 3, it's more like a senior research associate, and they often hold advanced degree and have extensive research experience. A clinical research coordinator is a vital role in the field of clinical research, responsible for overseeing different aspects of clinical trials and research studies, and ensure that research projects are conducted ethically, safely, and according to regulatory standards. This role often comes in different levels of type, and the responsibilities can be different, depends on your qualifications and experience. So they also have different type of level 1, level 2, and 3. Level 1, it's like an entry level. They might ask you for a bachelor degree in a related field. Sometimes they ask you for a certain amount of experience, and sometimes they don't ask you for any type of experience. So depending on the job opportunity that you apply and requirements. Level 1 responsibility is small help out in the day-to-day coordination of research study. They might screen participants, collect data, and keeping up with records, and ensure protocol compliance. They work closely with the senior or managers. Clinical Research Coordinator Level 2. Level 2 have more experience and often hold a bachelor or master degree in a related field. They might have spent several years in clinical research. Level 2 take on more responsibility, including study coordination, regulatory compliance, and more direct patient interaction, and they may help with study design, data collection, and may also participate in training with a new clinical coordinator. Yeah. Level 3 is a clinical research coordinator with a really huge amount of work experience in the research field, and also with an advanced degree too. So it's someone that has a really huge amount of experience and well qualify in the research area. This type of researcher is a professional who conducts scientific research to advance knowledge in different fields of science. These individuals are integral to the scientific community and are typically associated with academia, government agency, research institution, and private companies. The specific responsibilities in areas can vary, leading to different type of labels. Junior positions, researchers are typically at the earliest stage of their research career. They may have recently completed their academic degrees, bachelor's or master, and they are gaining research experience. Their responsibilities often include help out senior researchers, conducting experiments, collecting, analyzing data, and participating in research projects. Mid-level have more experience and are often holding a master or PhD degree in their respective fields. Seniors are highly experienced professionals who have atypically earned a PhD or a doctoral degree, responsibility, daily research projects, designs experiments, secure research funding, and often publish their findings in a journal. Postdoctoral fellowships, international medical graduates with PhD or postgrad research experience can apply for this type of opportunities. These positions offer opportunities to conduct independent research and collaborate with established researchers. But to be honest, there are different type of positions in also areas. I haven't seen postdoctoral opportunities for Alzheimer, for psy, for nutrition, for pets, family medicine. It depends what they offer. Some postdoctorals fellow, they have also postdoctoral fellowship or research fellowship where you have a commitment of minimum of 2 years and you do a lot of research work and more in the area that you wanna apply, and they give you a payment. And if you, as international, if you don't have any type of visa, they sponsor J1 visa or H1B visa, I think so. So it depends of the area, and some of them ask you for publications, citations, and peer publications. Some of them ask you for a certain amount of experience in the area that you want to apply, and some of them don't ask you for any experience, especially the one that are more like fellowship training, like orientated. Like you don't need experience, but you have a certain amount of publications and more. So it depends where you apply, to be honest. Pharmaceutical researchers. IMGs can work in research and development, focusing on drug discovery, clinical trials, and drug safety. I know someone. I think that I said the same information in entire different video. So check it out, my old videos. I have a bunch of videos related to research and jobs opportunities for international medical graduate and more stuff. So check it out my channel for more content. And after a shameless promotion, safety. Until my knowledge, in New Jersey, there is a school where you can study like safety, and depends of your entry level in your what type of diploma as international medical doctor. They have some type of, but it's a short training. They have different type of training, like 6 months training that you can get a bunch of skill in the safety field, and then you can apply for a job. Also, they have like, I know in the University of New Jersey they have, I don't know if there is a master or so, where you can study for 1 year safety, and then you can apply in the safety field. Um, I gotta look it up for that link, but let me know in the comment section below if you would like a video about how to work in safety more deeply, or if you wanna the link too. So let me know. So I'm gonna add the link in the description box below. Yeah, if you like more, if you want to know more about safety. If you like public health research, this is a good type of work that you can apply. They prefer like master in public health, but to be honest, they have different type of entry level. I remember that I saw a clinical research job opportunity that is literally this type of job, and they have an entry level. They don't ask you for experience, but they ask you for a certain amount of requirement, transcript, cover letter, your resume, and why this field. So you don't need a let's say a master in public health. um, it depends on what type of entry you want to apply. If you want something more like high level, they're gonna ask you for a high qualification. If you want to like more entry level, the requirements is gonna depends on the institution. So they study disease patterns, conduct surveys, and analyze data to identify health trends. IMGs with strong writing skills can work as medical writers. They prepare research reports, manuscripts, and regulatory documents for academic, clinical, or pharmaceutical research. Some IMGs work as a research consultants, offering their experience or expertise to research firms, healthcare organizations, or pharmaceutical companies. If you have any type of question, let me know in the comment section below. I will try to reply as soon as possible. I try to pass every 2 weeks, sometimes monthly, and to be honest, depends on how busy am I. So follow me here and all my social media, subscribe, and see you next video. Bye.